So I'm broadcasting in code.
Really slow Morse code.
No, I like that feature. The pop up. That's very with the way right to
yeah,
email.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, doesn't just like disappear. Someplace all of a sudden you have something on, just disappears, and you have no idea what's happening. Like people think it's a bug, but here check. It's got an email alert too. That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
Guys, as Coach says, we're really looking to trade from the long side. Just got 7 minutes. Does everybody have the opening numbers and your plan? We talk always about plans. Just a quick reminder that new traders, people just signing up with us on a trial or your first couple of days, this is all about learning a new methodology. The markets have been around for a long time. We approach them a little differently. That's all. It's a step-by-step approach. You're risking your hard-earned money. So don't treat it lightly. Treat it with unless you're unless your mommy and daddy gave you $20 million and here, son, go have fun. Here, daughter, enjoy life. If you've had to work for your money, then don't just give it to the market willingly. So new traders, ask questions. We come up with ideas. They're pretty simple, but like anything else, we develop our own terminology. For example, Sakasa. People can start looking at it, wow, these people speak Japanese. Well, Ninja Trader, in line with that, it's our technical indicator. It works. MW, what is that? Good morning. How's the weather? These are setups that we approach in a different way. 15 range chart. How do we use them? So there's a lot to go over to take notes. So it's nice to take preliminary notes. Then if you like what you hear, then check out our videos. Sign up. In a month, you can cover quite a few great videos, even before you take any single course. This is pretty new. I've been doing this since 2006, and I can be honest with you guys. In the beginning, I made trading calls. I explained things on the fly. If you wanted to come over to my house and trade with me, I'd teach you for $8,000. Those were your choices. Learn by osmosis or pay me $8,000 and I'll teach you how to trade. Now we have intermediate steps. You still can come over here, but you don't have to do it at first. Extremely flexible. As a matter of fact, you can start taking lessons and then say, hey, let me digest this for a couple of months. Go back to a basic plan. Couldn't do that before. This is the coolest thing. I wish somebody did this when I was starting to learn to trade instead of giving, I don't know, $42,000 to the markets over 49 months. I was losing almost $1,000 a month. Think about that. Now, some of you guys have lost $40,000 in a trade. I've never done that. To me, that's jump out the window time. I don't know how I would have handled something like that. I really don't, because I'm a wimp. When it comes to risk, people, I am the wimp. My money is too important. If I lose a little bit, yes, I've gone back to the drawing board. That was the pilot side of me. In other words, it just crashed. What happened? I'm alive, but I crashed. What did I do wrong? Now I've learned that, hey, part of trading is taking losses. But then I didn't know what I was doing, so I didn't know whether I was taking losses because it was a good setup that just didn't work or a stupid setup. So it was a lot of trial and error. Now we don't let you guys do trial and error. We have a plan. Follow it.
The plan does work. Ask Tim.
Yeah.
Ask the member of the month if the plan works.
Yeah. Ask him.
Ask. The plan does work. But only if you work on the plan.
Yeah.
Meaning, do your trade log, schedule time with the coach, go to class. Oh, that sounds so hard. I just want to sit here and make tons of money without doing any work.
And that's what gravitates people to this. They think it, FanDuel and all this fun stuff, pick your favorite football team. Well, there's a big difference between FanDuel and playing in the NFL. That's the difference. People want to have fun. I bet Jerry Jones goes, a little tougher to draft a real pro football team. The Jets. Can you believe the Jets? Holy cow. They actually won a game against Pittsburgh. Now, there was no Ben Roethlisberger, and Pittsburgh's rebuilding, but the Jets, they were stunned. They were like walking around the field like, did we win? The guys were walking around.
What? A win? How did that happen? Oh, yeah. Randy's a Pittsburgh fan, right?
Yeah, and the Giants won too.
What is going on with his world?
Yeah, Brady lost twice. Wow.
They got spanked. They didn't lose. They got their butts handed to them.
Yeah, you know what? They were zeroing in on the running game, and then it's amazing. You would think, okay, you're going to play the running game against, you're going to zero in and let Brady pass you. You're going to kill.
Crazy. All right, guys, we are open for business. No trading within the first 6 minutes for you new guys. Those of you with permission to trade within the first 6 minutes, go bravely into the night. If you don't have permission, sit on sidelines, ask questions, participate. 6 minutes goes by fast enough.
Mm-hmm. Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun.
And be amazed.
Yeah. Prepare to be amazed. If you're not, at least we'll let you down. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Have some funny jokes this morning. Sit down comic. Who said that?
Hey, with everything that's happened the last 2 weeks, a couple of jokes are welcome,
Right.
A couple of weeks. Okay, we're getting a nice pullback, guys. This is what you want if you're in an uptrend and you're trying to buy. Let them shake out the over committed long traders.
Some news coming out at 10.
Mm-hmm.
Just some news, not all of it. Yep. Feel free to do it, Wayne. We're here for you. Schedule that call. Watch the basic training videos again. Everybody that signs up in your first month, your first thing that you should do is start watching our basic core videos. That should be the very first thing you should do, guys. As soon as you pay your $99, start watching the core training videos. We're going to give you guys a little roadmap to success soon. But the videos are there for you. to help you start getting an understanding of the methodology and how we see things, participate in things. So once you become a member, the first thing you want to do is watch those videos.
Our volatility this morning, guys, was, or actually still is, 210. 210 is the volatility. Be patient. Well, we wish you the best of health there, Wayne. Okay, waiting for a buy signal. Wait for that 6 minutes to be up. Trend right now, 60 and 15 are up. We're at the pivot.
"37 minutes. We're at 9:37.
ATR is 27. It's not too bad.
I like the 55 from Friday.
Yeah.
Just being patient this morning.
Little W here around 41.
I feel like I read or saw somewhere in the plan that we might be looking for M's or W's today.
Mm-hmm.
Just need that double confirmation that price can't go above below the certain price. Did anybody take this W long? Anybody take the W long? Good job, guys. I'm trailing. 2 contracts left. One contract left. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. I love this group of people. You guys listen. 45. Good job. It's not bad. Got in right on the pivot. Take a portion of your profits, guys. Put yourself in a spot where you're guaranteed profits. Listen or get smacked. That's what the boot camp's for. At the boot camp, it's listen or get smacked. Good job, Lobley. Good job, Chanel. Guys, I think there's a few people that are asking questions on the boot camp and stuff like that. We are going to have somebody logging into the room to try to help you guys out and answering support tickets. So the best thing you could possibly do today is log into the website, submit a support ticket online, and we are working through them today. We are fully staffed again after the hurricane and all the craziness we had going on with surgeries and hospitalizations, things like that. We're back to full staff, people being out sick. So we're back to full staff. Our fans, we have our best people working on it. So if you have any questions, concerns, needs, boot camp stuff, jump on a support ticket from the main members login, submit a support ticket. We will get those questions answered today and help you out. No matter whether it's from boot camp to getting logged in to just any technical issue or trading questions. The support tickets are there. There was another W there, guys. Did anybody take that next W? Good job, Tim. Nice job, guys. I missed it. I was running my mouth and just missed it. Oh.
If you took this hook, your next target would be 29084. 29084. Butch and I will team up and help you guys. Don't worry about it.
Tag team back again.
Yeah. 84, next target.
What's the song?
Order filled.
Oop, there it is.
Rise, you wild dog.
I actually like that, Fred. Rise, you wild dog. This little auto attract to indicate auto attach the indicator feature. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Snap your stop to the indicator and it just stays on the indicator. 2 shakes of a mouse tail.
Take another one off. See if it what it does at this 99 resistance, 29,099. There it goes. Rise. You guys still in? My stop is 108. 108 is my stop. We're up over 100 points. I'll do the cucaracha later, but I can't do it now. Coach called 2 W trades. 112 is my stop.
I got in late on this one.
That's all right. 115 is the stop. Ride it.
I just need 20 more points to get my cucaracha.
Yeah.
Those of you who actually took the W, nice.
2 W's.
2 W's back to back.
Back to back. We tag teamed you guys. Coach got in late on the other one. I got late on the first one. But it averaged into a pretty good trade.
It averaged into a pretty good trade.
Amazing, isn't it? Great job, Hugo. A flying cucaracha.
I love it. I still have one left. I'm trailing. Where was your stop, Coach?
Right now, 124.
Oh, stand back a little bit. Okay.
124. I got to go with this sucker and tighten it up. I don't want to give it back. Can always redo it again, guys. If it comes down to 85. Flat. Whew.
It's probably gonna get me too.
Hey, we can go back in, man. This is a great trade. Just as a time I need a break. I'm gonna need a
Just
break.
take a break. I think we can handle it.
Yeah. No, it's
Good. We know
not
what
the
him-
back, it's a bag of money. This thing is weighing a lot of money. Jeez.
It's- So, what do you guys think that M's and W's are a good plan for today? Think about that for a minute. You know,
Yeah, that's
you
what
guys
we said.
you guys rely on us to put the plan out. I told you guys last week or whenever coach was out that we had a plan to look for M's and W's on a specific day. The next
Mhm.
day, we had a plan to look for breakout trades. Why do we say that? What are we seeing in the market that says okay, M's and W's work well today?
Just lucky guys. I guess.
Lucky guesses? Do you
Mhm.
guys think we're just guessing that we should be looking at M's and W's?
Mhm.
What do you guys think? You just follow along. Don't put any extra thought into it.
Good job, Fred. Tim, as usual. Yeah, remember earlier this morning, guys, we talked about the good M and W, the one that has a little wider range. In other words, not your micro M's and W's, but one that is going to trap. What's a W going to trap?
Yours in the future.
Who's the W going to trap? The weak shorts.
I have to address the Aaron's comment that says we are from the future. That's how we know to use M's and W's.
That's right. We got a future mobile.
That's hilarious. Thanks. I needed that, Aaron. Okay, back to serious stuff.
Back to the future.
Back to serious stuff.
Yeah, a lot of times, guys, when the market's sort of reversed, remember, we've had pretty tough couple of weeks. And when they do, you still have, I mean, there's nothing wrong with thinking short over the longer period of time, but not when the market's up 300 points. So M's and W's work particularly well on a day like today. When, you come in from Friday, right? And the average newbie says, well, all right, I missed the shorts of the last 2 weeks. I think the market is going down. Maybe I'll short today. It's like, what happened to you last week? 2 weeks ago.
All right, Aaron. See you back later. Well, yeah, that's it. You confirm that a rally has ended. What better way than a double top?
Yep.
Confirm that a sell-off has ended. What better way than consolidation or a double bottom?
Double bottom, yeah. Even on counter trend trades, guys, it does take advantage of the side that's temporarily got a loss, right? A successful M, even in an uptrend, says, hey, people have been buying, they can't get a new high, and now they're going to go the other way.
Oh, we keep the DeLorean in a cargo container in an undisclosed location and time period. So if you showed up today, it probably wouldn't be in that same cargo container.
Now, if you look here, guys, too, again, if you waited,
It's a lot.
let's say you waited for 6 minutes, right? And now, even Sakasa was pretty quick here on 931, but what happened? I gotta shut those people off. But if you bought in the first 2 minutes, any buying lost money while institutions were selling, right? So if you waited, though, past 6 minutes, you got a nice buy signal right there. And a really, really good one right here. This was a fake out breakout signal after it broke what? The daily pivot. So, man, use those trading tools. And right now, the thing is short, actually.
Tim made a good comment, but I like it. There's a book actually on about fractals in the market and how
Yeah.
it does have a fractal behavior because of, I think it's because of all the automated systems. You have to have some kind of repetitive. So it's a redundant. Fractals in itself become a redundant process, if you will, because it keeps
Yeah.
doing the same thing over and over. So fractals are just the images you see. Think about how many banks are getting leverage through derivatives
Yeah.
of their products, and then how many derivatives of derivatives are there, and derivatives of derivatives. So the markets have to work in fractals.
Yeah. Smaller time frames are a mirror image of a bigger time frame. We're sort of in the middle, no, not quite in the middle of our range this morning, but nowhere near 28,832, nowhere near 29,476. You say, is this range a little too high? Maybe. How many want to guess the average true daily range over the last 14 days?
I know it.
Mm-hmm. Anyone want to take a guess other than the coaches? Anyone? Each day, in other words, from high and low, go back over the last couple of weeks. What's the average difference between the highs and the lows? Come on, guys, take a guess. 1,000,000 points, 0, you know.
Or just add the indicator to your daily chart.
Yeah. Oh, no, I wanted to be a smart guy. I'm reading the indicator.
Just attach the indicator to your daily chart, and you got it.
Yeah, 600. Here it is right here. I'm going to do the daily on there. Here's the daily. So I put it there. You see it right there? ATR 653.06. So the range between high and low is 653 points.
Just get on the right side each day, and you got 600 points.
Yeah.
That's what that says.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I mean, technically it does say that, but.
Yeah, Monica, it's the ATR. It's the same one we're using, by the way, for the 2-minute. Just Coach sort of gave you a little cheat sheet there. So just put that same indicator on a daily chart, and you got a daily average true range. The ATR, by the way, is flexible. If you don't like 14, you can have a 30-day average range. After a while, if it goes back too much, I think it's useless. I mean, who cares about what it did
50 days
Memorial Day?
Yeah. It's just like the tick indicator has got to be relative to what's happening now.
Yeah.
Which is not a lot.
And you guys notice ticks have been pretty consistent. They stayed below here, right below 0. They started out where? High. That's your indicator that there's buy programs. And then, of course, they took profits and they pushed it down to that 941, right? 6 minutes. So if you waited 6 minutes, you saw the low ticks. And then the first time it had a tick back up above 0, so I'm going to start buying. And then for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all the time it's spent above 0, and now it's dropping below. You can learn a lot by following the ticks. And what's happening here? We're getting a triangle, right, guys? So if you want to know your next direction, hey, take a minute off. Everybody's green so far, right? I hope.
We should all be green.
Should be.
Everybody got green prior to the open. And then we had another 100-point runner after the open.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's amazing, huh, guys?
What more do you want from us?
Yeah, they want blood.
And now you're getting the dragon snout.
Yeah, the snout is starting to form.
The snout is out.
And here's the other one.
9:57, 3 minutes before news. What is the news? I'm slow this morning. What is the news that we got at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, I wrote it down. A second. I'll look.
Oh, ISM. That probably won't have a huge effect, but okay, we'll see.
I think it's the Jets score or something.
The Jets.
The Jets won. That's the big news. All right. Here's your snout. And then, guys, I will take a break.
You're doing pretty good.
Thank you. Yeah. You know, it's funny, Coach. I've been doing great. Saturday, no pain. And then last night, like around 2:30 in the morning, I mean, it was like a claw reached under the bed and grabbed my back and
Oh, no.
hip. Yeah. I mean, I couldn't move, and I had to go for the perk.
I told you to have the monsters checked under your bed.
Yeah, it's the monster. Manufacturing index and construction spending, guys. Look at that. Coach Wilbur. Yep. All right. So, yeah, it hurt. It was like the worse than before, right after the surgery. It was the worst pain consistent. I didn't move. It was like, I've had sharp pains, but here it was like hurting while just lying down, and I try to shift my weight. I am getting up now without assistance. I can get out of bed, but here I couldn't move to the right, to the left. It was still hurting. So I just want to see which way it breaks out of this triangle here, guys.
Bingo. In the meantime, pivot bounce. We do news.
Wow, look at the volatility. It's a breakout upward.
Did take it long, Coach.
Yeah.
It did take it long. Those of you who don't have permission to trade news, wait 3 minutes. I actually had a buy stop, so that took me into it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm long right now, guys. We are long. Any kind of pullback you can add to it. Wow. Sakasa got a short going on too. It'll scalp like a wild man. I mean, this thing's already profitable on a short trade. It got stopped out on the trailer, but he grabs those 10 points almost instantly, and it moves a stop. I mean, I'm just watching it. It goes boom, short, boom. But right now, guys, you don't want to take short trades. You really just want to wait for buy signals. Any low tick pullback, guys, is a buy. Not now. Now you take profits. If you see once it hits zero, then wait for that the tick hook. You want these ticks to be below zero here, and then you can go market or just put a tiny buy stop above it. When it goes down, put a tiny buy stop. And then keep lowering your buy stop. Boom. You see that? 208 was my buy stop. Once it went down, once it went down here, I put a 208 buy stop. Try it again, and you'll grab 10 points almost instantly. Okay, let it come down. Let it come down now. If you're long, take profits. If not, wait till this thing comes down. And all you do is let that thing come in. Like it went down to 198. I put a 209 buy stop. And soon it went down and then it hit up instantly. You're actually letting profit taking finish and then going for the next wave up. This is a little tough. This is not a beginning tool, but you'll notice it works. That's, in other words, the market comes in and you put a buy stop because it's going to come back up again, but you got to follow that buy stop as if you were short, because shorts are not working right now. Does that make sense? Good job, Tim. He's done for the day, the gong. See, that was a Sacasa sell signal. So great. Let it go down. Put a buy stop, like right now, 232, and then keep lowering it. As soon as you see the low ticks, buy it and then sell it with at least a 15-point profit.
Done for the day. All right, Tim.
$225 buy stop. As soon as it comes back up, when you see it low, then you put your stop in there and then sell it when it rallies. Now your targets would be about 236 to 43.
That's all you have to do. Exceed your daily goal. Stop trading.
Yeah, and then stop trading. Yeah.
Good job, Tim.
See what I mean, guys? 36 to 43. Boom, flat. Anybody do that? See it come down, came down. Get your buy stop in there and then sell it as it hooks back up. I am done for the morning. I'll be back in about 40 minutes. I just need to stretch out and rest, and I'll be right back, Coach. Give me 40 minutes.
Yeah, we're going to be here. We're working out. We're still trailing along on this trade, right?
All right. Go feed your wallets, people.
Still trailing along here, guys. Still trailing along.
Great job.
Just another little 100-point runner for us.
Coach said, "Go Jets."
We got to cue up the Cucaracha music.
Yeah, this is the third one at least this morning.
Third one?
Yep.
Hopefully you guys got one of these 100-point runners.
Two of them.
One at least. Good job, Young Fab. All right, I got to give some done for the day stuff. Young Fab's done for the day.
It says play the tag team song, Brian. I don't think I've heard that.
Noah's done for the day. Fish just wants me to be going because he's done for the day. All right. Done for the day. We love to see it. It's the best thing. Rad's done for the day. I get the last one. This is going to get annoying. Rad. Got you guys. Done for the day. Switch to Sim now. Don't give back your profits. Hey, you met your. You know what? It doesn't matter if you catch a runner or not. If you meet your daily profit target goal, it means you met your daily profit target goal. Still got one left, guys. Just trailing. Anybody else still long? Fred, you still long in this? Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, guys, it doesn't matter if you get a 100-point runner. If you meet your daily profit goal for the day, doesn't matter how you do it. As long as you're managing risk. All right, Rad. See you in the afternoon. We will see you soon. Trailing stop, guys. If you guys are along with me, I have mine. Actually, I attached my last contract to the mid Bollinger Band. So if you guys want to just do that, that's probably the safest way to go about it. And flat. All right. Let's do it. One cucaracha for us, guys. How many of you guys got at least 100 points from that one? And I'm assuming Fred and Robert are still in because they've been in for 1,000 points now. Oh, you did? Perfect. We can play it. Let's do it. Play ourselves a little song and dance victory lap, if you will. Good job, Chanel. Good job, everybody. There's like 5 or 6, 10 people got the 100-point runners this morning? At least one of them. So we are good. The loudest drinking dog on the planet. You guys. Funny, Tim. Great job, guys. Great job. I think we had at least 6 people get one of those 100-point runners. Wow. Thank you, Fish. We try to be awesome. And we try to teach you how to be awesome on your own. It starts with looking in the mirror in the morning and saying, I'm good enough, smart enough. Gosh darn it, people like me. Start with that. Unless you're Tim, leave the last part off. We are in resistance, guys. There's a little area of resistance here. Those of you with any major swings attached to your charts as prescribed, you will know that you are in an area of some resistance. I like it. Don't have to feed you, just feed you some YM points. Don't have to like you, feed you. Got it. I think we do a pretty good job of that, Mr. Tim. Hey guys, we're just gonna hang out on the sidelines here during this consolidation. Back at the charts. If you look at your 60 minutes, there's clearly a little resistance area, price indecision area, exactly where we're kind of bouncing around in price right now, guys. So pretty clear on the chart. If you've done some of the training with me, you'll see that looking back directly across on the 60-minute chart. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You guys see that? That's why you guys should have a line. Until you get used to looking at these things, guys, you should have lines on your chart depicting these areas. So when price gets to it, you start, that little light bulb goes off in your head and says, whoa, wait a minute, maybe I need to rethink what I want to do here. Job, Fred. $331. Let's see here. 331. That's a brave entry there. You should have taken at least 10 ticks profit then. Did you, Scott? Take at least 10 ticks profit, leave a contract to trail. Did you do that, Scott? Okay, you did. Perfect. Yep. Take 10 ticks, leave one to trail. I have 2 left because I did it with Scott. Not risking a lot on this. Gonna go ahead and squeeze these guys up pretty tight here. Just got one left now, guys. $580 ticks. You're up. Giddy up. I know we need a chant. Let's get to the long side. Squeeze your stops up a little bit more. You guys still in this with me? You guys still in this? Got a couple riding. Robert and Fred, I know are. Good job, Spencer. Squeeze your stops up a little bit more. Good job, Guy. Fred, New Year so long. Scott, good job, guys. We should all be in a no-lose situation at this point, right? I know Fred and Robert are. Spencer, Scott, Guy, you guys have yourselves in a no-lose situation at this point, right? Good. All right. We do have another little swing level coming up here right around 400. Okay, let's get our stops up a little bit more. There we go. Rise, you wild cockroach. $3.99 target? Why? Wasn't 476 the institutional number this morning? All right, leave your stop back, guys, a little bit. We're guaranteed profits. Let's just pay ourselves to stay in the straight a little bit, guys. All right, guy. The Phoenix. Nice job, Coach Wilbur. Flat. Okay. I would have left it back just a little bit further there, Scott, but it's okay. Jackson is done for the day. Love it. 4 for 4. Nailed it. Good job, Jackson. That's That's the appropriate number of trades you guys should be taking in a day for most people. For most people. Most people tend to muck it up if they start trading more than 4 times in a day. Still got that one trailing, guys. We are at 10:30. That's right. Well, I feel like you're doing pretty good with the style you have, Tim. All we can do is adjust your stop management a little bit more. But I like the position you're in. You're doing good. Just another manic Monday. Just the money making Monday. Thanks, Robert. I appreciate that. Stick the sand up. I could do that. I'll stick the sand up. Feel the love, guys. Feel the love. Let's let it pull back here and look for another long. Got low tick reads, kind of slowing down. Could be 10:30 reversal coming up, guys. So be prepared. Go back through your charts. Start scanning back through your charts. This is the right time to do it. Scan back through your charts. Start with your daily. Make sure that you haven't reached any crazy areas. Know your support and resistance numbers. Have we reached that? And keep going down in your charts, looking for anomalies that say, hey, is this price going to hold? Is this going to be the high of the day? We're going to hit a 10 for 30 reversal. Do we have more news coming out? You guys should be scanning through all of those things so that you can have a plan of action. If you're counter trend, you may want to look to go short a little bit here. But give yourself a reason. Make sure you have over about stochastics, maybe an M. How about that? We did say M's and W's were the word of the day, letters of the day, if you will. This is the official sit on your hands and wait. If you're not still long with us, just relax. No point jumping in now. We're starting to see consolidation on all the charts. So let's just wait and be patient. This could be looking like a little breakout. Let's just wait, guys. Be patient. Again, I'm still trailing one contract on the long side, plenty in the profit, so I'm just leaving it pretty far back. As long as we keep driving higher, guys, look for a reason. Low tick read. You could do, if you really want to do counter trend, sell below this low here. If you really wanted to. I do believe. I mean, we're not far from our institutional resistance number, guys. So keep that in mind as well. Consider this an area of resistance from here north. If you did that short, counter trend short, take some profits. Did anybody do that? Those who aren't still in long. Anybody do it? Sell stop below the low. Breakout trade on kind of a little tiny flattened M here. Job Spencer, lock in profits. I'm still trailing long, or I would have done it as well. Keep trailing. Those of you who are allowed to trade with the trend, make sure to confirm with a smooth stochastics, the first touch rule. If you're going long there, if you're already long because you had a buy limit set there, squeeze your stop up, take a little risk now, and after 10 ticks, take some profits, and then get your stop into a good spot where you pretty much have gains. If you didn't do it, wait and confirm. There's two things that could be happening here, guys. We could have a little flag forming for the downside, or this could be a little W forming at the first touch rule to go long again. This does look like kind of a little fake out breakout trade. If it does go long, it could be a breakout to the top side. We could be looking for our institutional resistance 475 pretty soon. If that happens. If it doesn't happen, those of you that are short, obviously stay short. You should have your 10 ticks, guys. Those of you who anybody take the first touch rule long, you should have got that 10 ticks. Anybody do that? Are you guys waiting for the W to form? Nobody? Are you guys listening to me? Can you hear me? Am I not lively enough for you guys this morning? Do I need to start yelling and screaming, jumping up and down? Young Fab wants me to start yelling and screaming. All right, I'm going to be more lively. Didn't miss much, Lulu. Good job, Tim. No such thing as making too much, Spencer. Everybody, hey, look, guys, this is a beautiful thing about this. You have 300-point runners before 10:30. You can call it a day. Right, Spencer? Broken record badge. Yeah, Lulu, we had 300-point runners before you got here. Yeah, guys. Hey, here's what I say, guys. If you got those trades this morning, why aren't you on Sim? Why aren't you on Sim? Think about what. All right. So if you got the trades this morning, we're pretty darn close to our institutional resistance number, and you've got green in your pocket. So why even risk it? At this point going forward, what are we going to see? Choppiness, maybe a break of the high, most likely a sell off. Right? I mean, this is more or less a profit taking day. So don't expect easy sledding in the next hour or two. That's the point I'm trying to make. All right, Viv, we'll have to get you one. It's been a great day so far, guys. Switch to Sim, stay happy, stay green. Stay happy, stay green. Switch to Sim if you have to. I'm going to squeeze one of my stops up here, guys. I said one. My stop up. So that W looks like it's forming. You guys know what to do. Find the high, the midpoint. You can put a buy stop in. This really looks like a consolidation chop to me, guys. I mean, you really look at the pattern here. Over the past few minutes, 2 minute, 15 range, 133, they all tell me the same thing. We've got a lot of price indecision in this area. Hey, I gave the Cucaracha song for everybody earlier, just a few minutes ago, Fred. That's for everybody. I was trying to roll all three of those runners into one song. All right, we'll do it while it's chopping. If anybody's long on this, take a portion of profits. If you took this W long, anybody do it? Good job, Viv. Yeah, there's a lot of high impact reports every day this week, guys. It's true. Thank you, Spencer. I figured you were, Fred. Too early on Monday for me. For me. I can barely focus on getting my trades in and chatting with you guys. It's all right. Did you take profits, Viv? Should have taken profits on it. Okay. Don't beat yourself up so much. This dang thing for making money is the wrong way to look at it. Well, dang, I made money. Should be a happy dang. Trade your stops now, guys. Make sure that you're in a spot where you can't lose on this trade. Hold on to it. If it breaks this previous high, we are going higher. We will go with that next target of, anybody know what it is? Bingo. You made money. Be happy about that part of it, Viv. There we go, Chanel. If we break this high, I've got plenty of profits on those runners we got. So I'm leaving one stop generously back just to give myself a chance to get to that target. That's a little obtuse on my part. I should probably just take the profits I have now and be fun with it and squeeze my stop up. Guys, if it's you and you're not way moved to a green on the day and you don't have a good fill on this, I mean, we got filled way back here. So this is, I have moved my stop to the 200 period moving average just because we're so far in the profits on it. So that's really the reasoning behind it. Anybody that's getting in now, you should have tighter stops, especially since we can't see this little range, this little top here. It's got to get broken first. You got to see back around, right around 1030, 1027. There's a little high made. Yeah, 1027. There was that little high made. If we can get past that, we'll go a little bit higher. If we can't, you just enter every time the market ekes up a couple ticks, enter stop up a couple ticks. So you guys got to do. I think there's like 3 of you guys in this with me. 3, 4 out of 104. Come on, let's go. Break it. Show me the money. Who just got in? Who got in on that W just now? This little W. There was a few people. Fish did. Stuart did. Jennifer. Okay. Added a W. Good job, Robert. Good job, guys. All right. All of you who got in on this little W bouncing off the 89, go ahead and get your stop up to at least 388. 388. If you have multiple contracts, you probably want to squeeze one up to 405. And then let this thing go a little higher, and then everybody move your stop to 405. All right. You guys got it? 420. Your stop's at 425, Viv? That's too tight. That's too tight of a stop, Viv. You're going to be stopped out. Up 300 points. Love it. I think that's what you're saying, Fred. Okay, guys. Now you can use 405. Use 405. Make sure you got to keep locking in profits. And then every time a little stair gets made, it moves up higher. Just squeeze your stop up a couple more ticks.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. This is Paulina. I hope you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room to take our trade calls and participate in chat for us to have coaches answer your questions, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. After your first 3 days, it's only $99 a month to be part of the trade room, and you'll gain access to the trade room for a month, as well as our core training videos to get you started in the right direction. Visit libertytradingclub.com to start your trial, as well as please like, subscribe, and share. Hope you have a great day.